Happy Monday, first graders. So once you get to today's math lesson, you'll know that you had to build a spinner to play today's math game. And it reminded me of our spin and spell game that was part of our word work center in the classroom. So I thought that if you wanted to use this activity to help you practice your bossy R words this week, you can use it. Now we'll be using our spinners to spin different AR words, and some of them may be nonsense words or silly words. And nonsense words are actually a great way to practice reading and spelling with new sound patterns, because you have to really know the sounds to read and spell nonsense words, instead of just remembering what certain words look like we do when practicing our sight words. So to play spin and spell, all you're going to need is a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, and a paper clip. To start off, you're going to need to draw 3 circles on your paper. If you need some help drawing your circles and your lines from your loved one, that's fine. And if you need to pause the video to catch up to me, that's fine too. I'm just going to go a little quick so my videos aren't super long. Now what I need to do with each of my circles to turn them from a circle into a spinner is just 2 straight lines. One straight line down the middle of the circle vertically, and a straight line across the middle of the circle horizontally. I'm going to do the same thing with each of my circles. Once you've done that, we're going to draw in our letters. We're going to draw in some beginning letters and blends in the top circle. We'll go with B, C, our CL col blend, and our SH sh digraph. Now in the middle, it's all going to be our AR blend that we're practicing this week. So you really don't even have to spin in the middle, but I just built the spinner anyway just because I know the spinner is kind of fun. But the middle is going to be all our AR, or call it our pirate blend, R. AR says R. And at the end, we'll just put in some ending consonant letters. N, D, T, and P. Now you may want to use a separate sheet of paper to spell the words that you spin. I'm just going to write 2 example words here on this same sheet of paper, and then you can go ahead and spin and spell on your own. So to spin the spinner, you need to put your paper clip's rounded edge to the middle of the spinner. Put your pencil or pen tip right to the middle and give it a flick. So I got C, so I'll go ahead and write C. That's my first letter, my beginning sound. Now I know my middle sound is going to be R, but I'm going to go ahead and spin anyway just because the spinner is fun. So right now I have K, R. I already have the word car here, but let's spin an ending sound and see if we can make a silly word or a real word. T. So we ended up getting a real word. What word does that say? Let's tap it out. K-R-T. Cart. Let's do one more. Hopefully we get a silly one this time. Again, start with the beginning sound. B. Moving to the middle. R. And finally our ending sound. Oh, we got another real word. What word is this? Barn. Barn. So if you want to use this as an activity to practice your spelling words this week, you can. Remember, we'll have our Seesaw spelling quiz on Friday.